Okay, so first we're gonna take the nut out. You unscrew it. You see, ours is shiny, yours is black. Take it off. The next step, you slide it out. You see that? Just slide it out, leave it hanging, and now you're gonna be very careful, but you're gonna take this screw off and this screw off. Make sure you have the right screwdriver, otherwise you're gonna strip it. Okay, so you put pressure and you unscrew it. See that? Easy. Now you take the next screw off. Now be careful when you take this one off. You see? Be careful because there's a spring in there. You see that? There's a spring. Now,
maybe inside some.
You want to grab alcohol and clean that. Clean that really good. Clean this really good with alcohol. You can, it comes off. See that? Clean inside. Clean it real good with alcohol. Clean this with alcohol. And then put it back. You put it back in just the way you took it off. After you clean it, you screw it back in.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're gonna put it back the way you took it off. Screw it back on. Screw that one back on. Nice and tight. Make sure it's tight.
Okay.
Now you slide it back in.
Go back.
Put it back. Now you put the nut back in. Your nut is black. Screw it on and test it. And that should fix it.